Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of struggling to rank higher on Google or get more traffic to your site? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm revealing how you can use ChatGPT, the game-changing AI tool, to skyrocket your SEO strategy effortlessly. Whether you're a blogger, website owner, or marketer, this is your ultimate shortcut to success. Let's dive right in. Step 1. The importance of SEO. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art of getting your content to rank higher on platforms like Google. Higher rankings mean more visibility, which equals more traffic, leads, sales, or whatever your end goal may be. But let's be real, writing SEO-optimized content, finding the right keywords, and crafting meta descriptions. It's a ton of work. That's where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. With AI-powered precision, you can speed up your workflow and get incredible results. Keep watching to find out how. Quick reminder. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and share it with anyone who needs an SEO boost. Step 2. How ChatGPT transforms your SEO. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT can revolutionize your SEO efforts. Here are 3 powerful ways this AI tool can help. 1. Effortless content creation. Imagine typing in a keyword like best SEO strategies for beginners and getting a full, SEO-friendly article in seconds. ChatGPT makes it happen. 2. Instant keyword suggestions. Struggling with keyword research? Just ask ChatGPT, what are the top keywords for digital marketing, and let it generate a goldmine of ideas. 3. Perfect meta descriptions. A good meta description can make or break your click-through rate. Ask ChatGPT to craft one that's compelling, concise, and packed with keywords. Loving these tips? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights on AI tools and digital growth hacks. Step 3. Best practices for using ChatGPT for SEO. Okay, so you've got the tool. Now let's make sure you're using it the right way. Here are some pro tips to get the most out of ChatGPT. 1. Be specific with your prompts. Don't just say, write a blog post. Instead, write a 500-word blog post on the top 5 AI tools for digital marketing. 2. Focus on long-tail keywords. These are easier to rank for and bring in targeted traffic. For example, instead of SEO tips, ask for SEO tips for e-commerce sites. 3. Always edit and proofread. While ChatGPT is amazing, it's still AI. Review the content to ensure it aligns with your tone, branding, and SEO goals. So, are you ready to take your SEO game to the next level? With ChatGPT by your side, you've got everything you need to create high-ranking content, save time, and grow your online presence. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button to let me know you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more actionable tips and strategies. Share this video with your friends who could benefit from an AI-powered SEO boost. And let me know in the comments how you're using ChatGPT to improve your SEO strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.